Hello my dear friends, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. And in this video, I am going to show how to make this agenda slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Making this slide is very easy and it can be made just by using few steps. So do watch this video till the end because I am going to show how to make this PPT step by step. So first of all, let us take a blank slide and let us delete these text boxes. And now let us go to insert. And here we have an option of inserting shapes. So we will insert this shape. It is called circle hollow. So let us insert this and let me give you a tip that if you want to insert an exact circle, then you need to hold shift button and then make a circle. Then it will be an exact circle. Otherwise you will end up creating an oval. So let me hold shift button and make a circle like this. Perfect. So now we will adjust the thickness of this circle. So with the help of this yellow button you can see over here, we can adjust the hollowness of this circle, I mean the thickness. So let us make this like this. So now this is ready. Let us select no outline for this shape. And now let us go to insert again and insert a square. And again I said, if you want to make a rectangle, you can make directly, but if you want to make a square, just hold a shift button and it will be an exact square. So let us make a square. Let us try to adjust this square in the quarter part of this circle, that is 1/4 part. And while you adjust this, you can see the red marks which are there. Yes, so here we have an indication that we have adjusted this square just as 1/4 of this circle. Now let us select this circle first, and what we want to do is we want to subtract this part from this circle which we have just made. So we'll select the circle first, then by holding shift button I'll select the square again, and I will go to shape format, and here we have an option of merging the shape, and here we will select subtract. So you can see that shape square is subtracted from this circle. So our first step is completed. Now let us copy and make two more like this. So what I can do is I just press Ctrl D to duplicate this and again press Ctrl D. So I have three shapes over here and I will rotate this. So here you can see that it has created a shape like letter S. Now let us again rotate this and place it over here. So now it's time to union these all shapes. So I just select all, go to shape format again, and in the merge shape I will select union. So now you can see that this is united as one shape. I'll reduce the size and place it over here. Now the next step is to insert an icon of setting. So we'll go to insert. Here we have an option of icons. So we'll click on this. And here you can see that there are multiple icons available. And we are in search of setting. And here you can see that there are certain options. We will select this and press on insert. Now you can see that this is a graphic format shape. So now let us convert this to normal shape, which is the PPT shape object. So we'll select on this. So whenever you click on this, you have an option over here, convert this to shape. So let us select on this. And after converting this from graphic format to shape, the advantage is that we can now change this shape color and the border itself. So let us place this icon over here in the center, and we will duplicate this and place it over here, and again duplicate this and I'll place it like this. So we can see that our main shape is ready. And now it's time to change the color of this. So we will be applying gradient fill, and I have selected all the objects and I'm going to format shape object, and in the fill let us select a gradient fill where we will have three color shades. So I'll delete this, and for the first one let us select this blue color. For the second one let us select this darker one, and for the third one let us again select this blue. So we are ready with the color gradient, and now let us apply some shadow to this. So we will select all again, go to this option of shadow, and let us select a shadow like this, offset bottom right. Here you can play with this transparency and size of the shadow. Like this. Now it's time to add one more shape over here in the corner. So let us go to insert shape, and we will select this right triangle, and by holding shift button I'll create an object like this, where I will select no outline, and in the shape fill let us choose a gradient. So let me copy the format of this and paste it over here. We are good to go. Now the only remaining part in this particular slide is the three agenda which you will place over here, here and here. So let me copy that from the one which I showed you earlier, and let me paste it over here. So this is how it looks, and you can change this text according to your preference. And now let me show you the font style of this is Oswald with 96 font size. It looks like this after you complete first slide. And the main step is now. So let me just go over here and duplicate the slide. And in the first slide, I will move away this text boxes and the number over here on the top left, and this is to the top right, and the same with this over here, and I'll place this right over here. Let us change something over here as well. Let me rotate this to clockwise, anti-clockwise, and whatever you wish. And let us change the gradient of this to a different direction. So let me choose this direction. And the last step is to select all the slides, go to transition and apply morph transition with 2-second duration, whichever which is feasible to you. 2 is the ideal time for the morph transition. You can reduce it if you want the transition to be fast. And now let us see what we have made. So I'll go to presentation mode, and this is how the first slide looks. And if I go to next, it will look like this. So here we have completed this presentation, and I hope you like this video. Do check out our channel for more PPT tips and tricks like this, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.